Well, you're one of the most respected, famous scientists in the world, sitting on a farm, gazing up at the stars. So you seem like an appropriate person to ask the completely inappropriate question of, what do you think is the meaning of it all? What's the meaning of life?
That's an excellent question. And if we ever find an alien that we can converse with, I would like to answer this. I would like to ask for an answer to this question because,
Would they have a different opinion, you think?
well, they might be wiser because they lived around for a while, but I'm afraid they will be silent. I'm afraid they will not have a good answer. And I think it's the process that you should get satisfied by, the process of learning you should enjoy. Okay, so it's not so much that there is a meaning. In fact, there is, as far as I can tell, things just exist, and it's. I think it's inappropriate for us to assign a meaning for our existence because, we, as a civilization, we will eventually perish, and nothing will be, just another planet on which life died, and if you look at the big scheme of things, who cares? Who cares? And how can we assign significance to what we are doing? So if you say the meaning of life is this, well, it will not be around in a billion years. So what, it cannot be the meaning of life because life, nothing will be around. So I think we should just enjoy the process. And, it's like many other things in life. You enjoy good food, okay?
Yeah.
And you can enjoy learning. Why? Because it makes you appreciate better the environment that you live in. And sometimes people think religion, for example, is in conflict with science, spirituality in conflict. That's not true. If you see a watch and you look at it from the outside, you might say, oh, that's interesting. But then if you start to open it up and learn about how it works, you appreciate it more. So science is the way to learn about how the world works. And it's not in conflict to the meaning that you assign to all of this, but it helps you appreciate the world better. So in fact, I would think that a religious person should promote science because it gives you a better appreciation of what's around you. It's like, if you buy in a grocery, you buy something, a bunch of fruits that are packed together, and you can't see from the outside exactly what kind of fruits are inside. But if you open it up and study, you appreciate better the merchandise that you get, right? So you pay the same amount of money, but at least you know what's inside. So why don't we figure out what the world is about, what the universe contains, what is the dark matter? It will help us appreciate, the bigger picture. And then you can assign your own flavor to what it means,